Hi, I'm Corey, and I'm doing my final presentation on Alexander Central School District. My children go there, and I know several other parents and an administrator that work there. This school is considered to be in good standing, and they do have an SRO. They practice conflict resolution in the classrooms at the elementary level, and they do lockdown drills and fire drills and things like that. I know as a parent and after doing my interview, they mainly use zero tolerance when it comes to fighting or weapons in school, things like that. However, their website does not state that they use this. So I was a little confused as to why, because their website also states that parents are notified of the policies. We were not notified of the policies, so I wanted to dig a little bit deeper and find out why. I know with the SRO, in my own personal experience with him, there was a safety issue that arose with one of my kids, and he brushed it off like it was no big deal. And then as I was interviewing other parents, they had the same issue, except their issue dealt with bullying and some harassment that was going on with their kiddo, and their kiddo actually was the one being harassed. And I wanted to find out what the school did about it. So that's my final project. Thank you for watching.